I love this tree. It is so gorgeous. Woo-wee. And just look at that bark. There's no end to these berries. Oh my gosh. Hang on, let me, can I finish this video here? Beautiful, beautiful leaves. I've been picking them every day. Here's my handful that I picked today of my mulberries. So, here's my mulberry tree this year. And there's just so much fruit on this. It's incredible. Last year you seen that I trimmed it, and oh my gosh, there's never been so many berries on this thing. There's a few ripe ones in there. I've been picking them every day, so I get about a handful that are ripe every day. Beautiful leaves. Beautiful, beautiful leaves. And just look at that bark. That bark is absolutely incredible. I love this tree. It is so gorgeous. I will be sorry to see it left behind, I suppose, if I ever do sell this property. Because this is quite the tree. I'm picking some every day. I got plastic on there to pull it down, but I've since got something better. I'm actually using this little hook from a clothing store. This rod, right, Maxie? To pull the berries off the tree. And of course I have this ladder going on here, so I could take that plastic down. But oh my gosh, look at this mulberry tree. Whoopsie, what did you do, Maxie? He wants somebody to throw him the ball. Not right now, honey. I'm a little busy. Hang on a second. Hang on. Let me, can I finish this video here? Let me finish the video. Hang on a second. So here's my handful that I picked today of my mulberries. This is water and vinegar, getting them cleaned off for the church ladies. And then I will rinse them off and drain them out and put them in a container. And every day I will pick some more because, as you can see, woo-wee, they are just incredibly abundant. There's no end to these berries. And one thing I do notice is the ones that are lower to the ground are much smaller, and the ones that are way up high, I don't know if I could climb this ladder and do it, ones that are way up high are super big, and they are much more, they're turning already. So you can see they're turning already because they have more sunlight, I guess, over here, and they're hanging over the fence too. I got those already. So that is my mulberry tree this year of 2026. Oh, and one thing I forgot, I took their clippings already. I took a whole bunch of clippings. So hopefully I could propagate this mulberry tree and get more. Oh, she's big. Alright, back to work. There's never been so many berries on this thing. They are just incredibly abundant. There's no end to these berries.